Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to find out harmful apps, games available on your device, installed on your device. To find out this guys, just you don't need to do any extra hard work, just you need to open the Google Play Store on your device. After opening guys, on the top right side corner you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. From here you need to tap on manage apps and device, just tap on it. Okay, and here guys you can get the harmful apps on your device. So in my case guys, in my device there is no harmful apps available in my device. If in case guys, if you have installed any harmful apps on your device, you can get your all harmful apps here guys. So if you want to scan, just tap on the scan option and it will scan the harmful apps on your device. So this is the very nice and very secure method to find out the harmful apps on your phone. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.